Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well and staying safe. So today I am going to show you guys this look, a pink eyes look. If you are planning to wear a pink dress in the next party, after this lockdown is over, we're gonna get all those invitations that are pending, like somebody wants to get married, and we know like everything is stuck right now because of all this situation, but we're finally gonna get over this and we're gonna get invitations very soon for birthday parties or weddings. So there's an idea that you can do your makeup like this when you have to go there and you have a pink dress. So keep on watching to see how I created this look. So I already put my foundation, my concealer and everything on, and today's look I created with this Beauty Glazed and my Heart Candy palette. But first off, I'm gonna start with my eyebrow, and I am using this Anastasia brow kit for my brows. Now I'm gonna be taking this concealer to clear off any unevenness underneath my brow and on the top of my brow. Now I'm gonna be using the same concealer and putting on my lids, like the whole eyelids, to make a base for my eyeshadow. And I'm also gonna be setting them up with a loose powder and a floppy brush. Now I'm gonna be taking my Heart Candy palette and a blending crease brush and that color to put it on my crease. And I will be using the circular motion to apply them. Now I'm gonna be using this brown color and put a little bit under where I put my other eyeshadow on, just to make it a transition color. And now I'm gonna be using this red color to put on my crease. And I'm gonna be using same circular motion technique and the same brush. Now I'm gonna be using this color and put exactly on my crease. Now I'm gonna be using my Beauty Glazed palette, and I will be using this purple color and put on my crease just so my maroon color is more pigmented. Now I'm going to be taking my concealer and this brush to make a cut crease. Now I'm going to be using this brush to set them properly. And now I'm going to be using this flat brush and taking this pink color eyeshadow and put on the concealer. And now I'm gonna be using this purple color eyeshadow and be using this kind of brush that's not too thick and also like blendable, and put on my outer corner. And now I went back to my Heart Candy eyeshadow palette, and I am using this dark kind of purple maroon mixed color, and I'll be applying on my outer corner. Now I'm gonna be using my gel eyeliner and line my eyes. Every product details that will be described below. Now I'm gonna be using the colors that I put on my lids. I'm also gonna be applying them on my under eyelids. For my inner corner of the eyes, I am using my highlight palette from Wet n Wild. I'm using that. Now I'm gonna be using this lash curler to curl my lashes, and then I'll be applying mascara before I put on my false lashes. Actually, I am not in a mood for fake lashes today, nothing fake that I would like today, so I have decided to go with my natural lashes, and I put some mascara, and I'm using this glitter liner just above the pink eyeshadow to create a extra fancy look, and I'm also gonna be applying on the corner of my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna be using this Morphe contour palette, which is broken, and this brush from Sonia Kashuk. It's for the contouring brush. So I am contouring my face to make it extra skinny. Now I'm using this blush and brush and blending them all together. Putting some blush in, I promise I am going to buy a blush and palette. And I'm using this highlighter brush from Sonia Kashuk, and my highlight palette is from Wet n Wild. So for my lips, I am trying to have the same color as my eyes. So I used this maroon color lip liner. And for the lipstick, I'm using this pink color Milani 64. I'm applying on my lips. And to make it extra light, I had a nude color lip gloss I'm applying on my lips. And now taking a concealer brush to fix any unevenness. And after this, I'll be putting my setting spray on, and I will be pretty much done, and then I'll be doing my hair. And here I am. My jewelries are from Bangladesh. The head thing, I am not so sure what is it called, but I got it from Bangladesh, and it was for my wedding. And I got some hair extension, and my earring is also from Bangladesh, and my dress is from Bangladesh. So this was the complete look, guys. If you guys like, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. And that will be it for today, and see you in the next video. So goodbye. Allah Hafiz.